Namaskara Vikshakre, Pranam Satyo and hello fellow sapiens. You are listening to Mo Traveler Akshay from this side of the video. I started early in the morning around 5:30 am on my salvator towards Mysore Road. The location that I am riding towards is Nelligudde Lake near Bidadi. This lake is almost adjacent to the new Mysore Expressway. This location is around 30 to 45 kilometers from Bangalore depending on where you stay. Since two-wheelers are not allowed on Mysore Expressway, you need to take the old Mysore Road and then deviate to a connecting road which connects to Mysore Expressway Service Road. If you route to this location on Google Maps after reaching Old Mysore Road, it will show the exact location. Location to this lake is provided in the description section. Once you reach this location, there is a small muddy ramp which you can hit to reach the mud road which takes you directly to the lake. It's a splendid view once you reach there if you love nature. There is no specific parking for four-wheelers here and the four-wheelers have to park aside the road. There is a tank bund on which you can take a stroll from one end of the lake to the other end of one of the banks. This was built to water the surrounding farmland, some of which we can see here. There is lush greenery all around. There are some hills surrounding this lake which can be spotted in the background. The sun was rising on the other side when I reached there and it was a beautiful sight. This is indeed a picturesque location and I would suggest this place to anybody who is interested in such locations. This is a very good picnic spot too. A canal can be found at the extreme other end of the lake which I believe is operational during the monsoons when there is overflow of water at this place. One can spot a variety of insects and birds here and I'll let you enjoy their sights now. The walking path on the tank bund is clean, but the other bank of the lake, as you might have already spotted, is full of litter. I appeal to be more sensible at such beautiful locations. Also, the litter that we leave behind disturbs the flora and fauna. Here's a panoramic view. This biking brother here made my day as he spotted and recognized my bike. Not many do. Most of them don't realize that this is a super bike from Triumph and assume it to be something like a Royal Enfield Interceptor. Well, appearances are deceptive and that's what I wanted too. For the records, Speed Twin 1200 is a humongous beast when compared to an Interceptor. Well, it was time to return and hit the roads again. The sight of vehicles going past the Mysore Expressway seemed satisfying to me. Request to like, share, subscribe, and fill up the comment section. Thank you.